Listen closely, Atlanta.
Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. May your pour blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression. So long I've been waiting to be with you all alone. I've been anticipating. The first time we kissed was breathtaking.